Hello and welcome to Auskin. Thanks for watching this video. Over the next few minutes, we'll be showcasing how our luxurious products can transform any home. But first, a little about us. Auskin has been around for over 25 years and we are an Australian-owned brand operating globally. Our products are made from the highest quality natural fibres, which are certified by both Woolmark and Ecotex. We pride ourselves on our commitment to providing only sustainably sourced products. Our facilities are regularly audited to ensure that they meet the highest international quality standards. Today, we're introducing you to our beautiful Fibre by Auskin range of luxury homewares products. Fibre by Auskin has been transforming homes across New Zealand, Europe and the USA for many years. We've just launched the Fibre by Auskin range in Australia. So let's see how we can transform the home. The formal living room is a great space for our Tibetan or alpaca throws and our ottomans. Fibre by Auskin alpaca throws are synthetic free and are available in a variety of colours and designs. The Tibetan throw offers an extremely soft feel thanks to a luxuriously long fibre length. Our ottomans are made from the finest leather and are handcrafted in India exclusively for Fibre by Auskin. Our genuine sheepskin rugs can perfectly complete any alfresco area. Our premium quality sheepskins are very versatile and can be styled in a number of different ways, either at home on the floor, draped over the chair or on a lounge. Fibre by Auskin alpaca throws and sheepskin cushions are great as accent pieces, styled around your home. When it's time to relax, our beanbags, rugs and cushions are must-haves in a rumpus room. Fibre by Auskin's beanbags are handcrafted from 100% natural sheepskin, making them comfortable during both summer and winter. In the master bedroom, our throws and rugs are very popular, but let's focus on the gorgeous Tibetan sheepskin cushions. Available in a selection of colours and sizes, our Tibetan cushions are the perfect accessory for adding texture and style to any bedroom. Our alpaca products from the Fibre by Auskin range are perfectly suited for use in a guest room. Handmade by artisan families from South America, these alpaca throws and rugs are lightweight but warm and beautifully soft to touch. Finally, let's talk about Fibre by Auskin for the kids. With our alpaca gifts and sheepskin teddy bears, we're certain to have something that will delight children of any age. In fact, I have the perfect spot in my home for this cute bear. Thanks again for watching this short video demonstrating how Fibre by Auskin products can transform any home. For more information, please visit our website or our social media pages. In the meantime, have a great day and we look forward to seeing our products in your stores soon.